I get these all the time. Take a deep breath and hold it. Try this. Drink some water. I know what I'll do. You need some help. Ah! Georgia.
Don't worry, I got this. Hang tight, fella. I'll be okay in a second.
It's okay.
Broke! That was a good one, huh?
I think he's cured.
1-800-FELLA. Help is just a brogue kick away.
He's still not moving, though. He's got insurance, right?
I don't know.
He's got insurance.